Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing a bit of research on this topic right here, how to create an affiliate marketing website, okay? So over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build out a really good affiliate marketing website that will get you into profit, okay? Because there's the right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it, and 95% of people that are teaching this skill right here are doing it the wrong way, okay? So if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, hi, my name is Aaron Chen. I'm always releasing content that will teach you how to build a more profitable business on the internet. So consider subscribing at any time, and we're gonna get into this training right now, okay? So here's the thing, right? I've been online for a long time. I've been online for 10 plus years, and in that period of time, the one strategy that everybody keeps talking about, even until today, okay, I still review lots of products. I've reviewed more than 300 products on the internet marketing space. All of them teach this ridiculous strategy, okay? So they all say, okay, go out there, get a lot of traffic, and if you don't know what traffic is, all it is it's new customers that will come to the front door of your business, right? And they say drive a lot of traffic, drive a lot of leads, right, to your business, and everybody teaches solo ads. That's all they teach. Nobody teaches anything else. It's either Facebook marketing or solo ads. Facebook marketing is great if you can stay on Facebook, because a lot of people get their ad accounts shut down. Solo ads, in my honest opinion, I think is a complete waste of time. The reason why people teach solo ads is because it's easy. You go out there, you find a provider, you pay them a bit of money, they send you a solo ad. Easy, okay? You don't have to actually learn any skills when it comes to solo ad marketing, right? But the problem is the quality is generally so bad that you have to burn through a lot of different solo ad providers before you find the right one that will get you into profit. Okay, and most people don't have a big, huge ad budget to do that. I mean, you need like, at least a few $100,000 every single month in order to figure out solo ads, okay? So this is what people teach. They say, get traffic to a solo ad. All you have to do is find a great affiliate offer. That's what they always teach, right? Go out there, find a profitable affiliate offer, and then you build something called a capture page. And all a capture page is a website where you can capture somebody's email, right? Because when you get somebody's email, you want to be able to follow up with them automatically to build a relationship with them, right? So this is what they do. They say, build a capture page, get an email address, okay? And then you send them to your affiliate sales page, all right? Now this affiliate sales page, this is kind of, all right, first of all, this entire model sucks, okay? That model right there is designed to keep you broke, okay? So if you buy a product on the internet that costs $7 or $29 and they talk about this strategy, which by the way, 95% of them talk about this strategy, right? You're gonna go broke, okay? And let me explain why. I'll explain the mechanics of why this strategy, this affiliate marketing formula and website, it doesn't work, okay? For a lot of reasons. And first of all, I know this so well because this is what I did for 8 years, right? Because I bought so many products online, ClickBank, JVZoo, expensive, cheap, whatever, and this is the strategy that they were teaching. It doesn't work, and here's why, okay? There are multiple reasons why this doesn't work. First of all, it starts right at the beginning, okay? First of all, solo ad traffic in general sucks. It stinks. The quality is very, very low. Now, there are people out there that have figured it out and have been very profitable, but for the most part, people can't figure it out, and I've spent more than $20,000 on solo ads. I couldn't figure it out. So if you can figure it out, good for you, but I'm telling you, 90% of people, they just can't figure it out because the quality of solo ads is so... It's just so bad in general, right? A lot of them are robots, so they're not even real people, right? So they're fake clicks, okay? And a lot of them get hammered every single day. Imagine if you're someone on the other side of a solo ad, you're getting 20, 30, 40 email promotions every single day. What's going to happen when that happens? Well, you're going to become very unresponsive, right? And that's the kind of quality that people generally out there are selling when it comes to solo ads. So it starts right at the beginning. First of all, your traffic sucks. Okay, it stinks. The second part is that they ask you to collect an email, which is fine, okay? A lot of people still collect email addresses. I do that. I think it's a very important part of the process. But then here's where it doesn't work, okay? So they tell you to send people directly to the affiliate sales page. Now, what's happening here is that, look, we live in the modern era where affiliate marketing and offers have been around for a long time. So everybody and their pet goldfish has seen an offer, right? So if you're trying to sell some sort of like weight loss offer or, make money offer or, golfing offer, it doesn't matter, right? Teaching someone how to play the guitar, teaching someone how to sing properly, right? That is just an offer. That's all it is, right? Well, everybody has seen sales pages now. Okay, so when you're on Facebook, when you're on Instagram, when you're on YouTube, you're constantly bombarded by all these ads, right? So everyone and their pet goldfish has seen a sales page, which means that they know that they're being sold to. Now, when people know that they're being sold to, they don't want to buy. That's just human instinct. When you're walking around in the supermarket, even though people are giving you like free samples of food, like try this yogurt, try this cheese, try this bread, what happens? You kind of like, you reel back, right? Because you know that they're trying to sell something to you. Even though it's a free sample, most people don't take that sample. And that's exactly what's happening in online marketing, in affiliate marketing, right? People know that you're trying to sell them some sort of affiliate offer. So if you send them directly to a sales page, they're not going to want to buy because they don't even know who you are. People don't buy that way anymore. If this was back in 2009, 2005, when affiliate marketing first got started, that's like 10 to 15 years ago, right? This strategy would have worked. But the problem is that it's changed now. People's buying behaviors have changed, and the people that are selling these products, that are teaching you how to build affiliate marketing websites or how to do affiliate marketing properly, they haven't updated their training, and this is why people are failing. Okay, so this conversion rate is about 0.5%. It's really freaking low, okay? And this is why everybody is broke online. This is why I stayed broke for so long, okay? The other problem is that everybody just says, okay, once you get an email address, all you need to do is send them back to the sales page. 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 So now you've got a whole bunch of emails. Half of them are fake because you're buying solo ads, right? And you're sending them to a sales page that people don't want to buy from anyway. So how do you expect to generate a sale? Makes sense, right? So look, this conversion rate, I mean, you have to spend money to buy solo ads, okay? So look, if your conversion rate, let's just say you send 100 people to your capture page, and your capture page converts at 50%, because that's considered really good. Most people convert at 20 to 30%, right? But let's just say you convert at so I'm going to do the math for you right now, right? So you buy a solo ad. Let me see. You buy a solo ad for $100. Okay? No, actually 100 clicks. That's roughly about 80 cents per click. You buy 100 clicks. That's $80. Okay? So $80. Okay? You buy solo ads, you send 100 people, you convert at 50%, which means that you have 80 people converting at 50%. 50% conversions means that you have 40 people that actually see your sales page. Now, out of the 40 people that see your sales page, right, you have 0.5% conversion. So 40 times 0.5%. Okay, hold on, let me try this again. 40 times 0.5%. Yeah, that means you have 8 people. Oh no, that's not right. Sorry, 40%. You have 0.2 of a person that actually buys your opportunity. Okay, that's ridiculous. Now, if a product that you're selling costs, I don't know, $40, right? Which it roughly about there. $40 times 0.2 means that you're making $8 of revenue. But it costs you $80 to buy that solo ad, which means that you're negative, how much? Negative $72. You see how that works? And this is why people stay broke, because they cannot find a way to increase their profit and be profitable because their conversion rate is so low. So there are a lot of bad things happening right now, okay? So let me show you the way that you should be building the right affiliate marketing page, okay? So first of all, look, it starts with the traffic, right? Now, traffic is so important, okay? And you shouldn't be doing solo ads. I highly recommend that you try another traffic source. Now, as long as you're going out there and you're generating your own traffic, that means you're literally going out there, you're figuring it out, what strategy works in order for you to attract people towards you. It doesn't matter where you get it. So it could be social media, it could be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. It doesn't matter as long as you're getting it yourself. You're using their ad platform, or you're posting great content that people see and they like, and then they click on your link. That is the best way to get traffic, okay? But there's so many different ways. There's influencer media, there's pay-per-click networks, there's banner advertising, there's so many different ways to do it, okay? So as long as you're getting your own traffic, you're not buying traffic from another marketer, or you're not buying traffic from another vendor or something like that that has resold their traffic over and over and over again 1,000,000 times. Generally speaking, that quality of traffic will be very good, okay, as long as you're doing it this way. So now you've got good quality traffic, okay? Same thing, you send them to a capture page, okay, where you collect their email address. Now here's where the magic happens, okay? What you want to do is you don't want to send anybody to an affiliate sales page. Because if you send them directly to an affiliate sales page, they're not going to buy. Remember, we spoke about that earlier. Because everybody just sees the same crap over and over again. Instead, what you want to do is you want to send them to your own online assets. Okay? Now, your own online assets could be anything. They could be your blog. They could be web pages that you created. They could be your podcast. They could be your social media website. Right? And what you're doing on this website is you're creating unique content, okay? And then you lead them to your affiliate sales page. Okay? This is how you convert. And when you do this properly, you can convert anywhere from 7 to 10% or more. Okay? Now that's where the magic happens. So let me repeat this again. So you get good quality traffic, not solo ads. You generate your own traffic. You send them to your capture page, is where you collect an email address, and then you send them. This is where the magic happens, okay? You put something in between. This is called indirect marketing. You don't market the sales page directly. You indirectly market it through your own online assets. Because what happens here is you're branding yourself. When you brand yourself and you create content and you teach people about the topic that they're trying to find out more about, you automatically build credibility and authority, right? And when you build credibility and authority, you build something amazing, which is so important online, which is trust, okay? If you don't have trust, people are not going to buy from you. Now, again, it doesn't matter what you send them to, but if you send them to your blog, where you have a video or an article that you're teaching them something, or you send them to your podcast where you're talking about, something that they want to learn about, whether that's weight loss or making money on the internet or learning how to have a better golf swing, that's fine. Or you send them to a social media website like your Facebook, and you've got a live Facebook video where you're teaching them something. This is how you start to generate a lot of trust, a lot of credibility, and a lot of authority, and then you send them later on to whatever you're trying to sell, and that's how people really buy, okay? Now let me show you something really cool. I'm just going to show you one of my online assets, okay? And look, I use a program called ClickFunnels to build out my web pages and stuff like that. You can use anything you want, but I'm just going to show you actually, I'm just going to show you another page. Okay, so this is one of the many pages that I build, okay? So for example, let me just go back here so that you can see this, right? So now I'm generating good quality traffic. I am collecting an email on my capture page because I want to follow up with people, right? And I want to give them value. I just don't want to sell them all the time. I want to give them valuable information. Now, one of my own online assets, okay, which is one of my web pages, my value pages, looks something like this. So after someone enters an email, I promise them something, and then I lead them to a page that looks like this. Look, it's branded. I've got a great video there. Let me just play this video for like 5 seconds just to show you how this works, right?
Hey, it's Aaron Chen. How's it going? Welcome to day number 3 of the 1% formula. I hope you're doing...
Okay, so look, I've called this one the 1% formula. It's one of my branded pieces of content. I teach them how to magnetize their audience towards them. There's a video there, and after the video, I just get them to click on a link on whatever affiliate offer I'm selling. Now look, this is just one of the types of online assets I have, okay? And look, obviously this is high production and stuff like that, but you don't even need that. All you need to do is grab out your mobile phone, your iPhone, your Samsung, your Huawei, it doesn't matter, and just grab the phone like this and record a quick little 5-minute video, upload it onto a website, WordPress, ClickFunnels, whatever you want, lead pages, make it look beautiful like this, and these are the pages that will convert a lot of your offers, okay? Now, this is how you really build an affiliate marketing website. Now, I'm not going to show you the step-by-step on how to actually build the site out, because if you use something like ClickFunnels or lead pages or whatever you decide to use, I've got the resources in the description box below if you want to check it out. They will give you templates and you can just build that out, okay? So whatever program you decide to use, they will teach you how to do it. So I'm not going to do it here. But what you need to understand is you need to understand the strategy on how to do this right, okay? And this is how I've been able to create a 6-figure business online. This is how I went from 8 years of going broke to generating a highly profitable business, and this is how you're going to be able to do it too, okay? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. If you have any questions, I would love to hear them. I'll try and go back to the comment section and answer them for you. If you got some value from this video today, would appreciate some thumbs ups. And listen, if you love this, okay, and you're like, Aaron, this is really, really interesting, and I really want to get more hands-on, over-the-shoulder training on how to do this right. I want to show you how to actually build out a really profitable affiliate marketing business. All you have to do is click the link right in the description box below, enter your email on the next page, and I'll see you there, and I'll enjoy giving you that training, okay? Take care and speak to you soon.